Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Power the Cami, confirm battery or plug into power, and ensure the camera's firmware is current. Once done, open the ZyCam app and sign in or create an account. Make sure you have your 4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password handy. Now put the camera in pairing mode. Press and hold the reset or pairing button until the LED blinks. This initiates the device broadcast so the app can detect it. You proceed in the app to add a new device and either scan the camera's QR code or choose the correct model from the list. Next, enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password exactly as they appear. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check. Once submitted, the app and camera exchange credentials and attempt connection. Listen for the confirmation tone and watch for a solid LED. This means the camera acquired an IP and is online. If it stalls, you finish by naming the camera and assigning a location so notifications are meaningful. Then configure motion detection sensitivity, recording schedule, and storage preferences. Make sure video resolution and alert settings match your needs, and test live view and two-way audio to confirm functionality. If you don't get a live feed, restart the camera and router, verify the Wi-Fi password, and move the camera closer to the router. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and repeat the pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.